Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android version, launcher compatibility, and a recent backup. These protect your layout. Once done, open your home screen and long press an empty area. Make sure to tap widgets from the menu that appears. You want to identify the exact widget by name and provider because variants behave differently. If the widget requires an app update or permissions, install or grant them now. This first step prevents partial restores and saves time later. Now you restore instances. Drag the widget from the picker onto the home screen, then size it to match your previous grid. You will often be prompted to relink accounts or grant storage and location permissions. Do that because widgets pull live data. Once placed, open the app behind the widget and verify widget-specific settings like update interval and data source. If your launcher supports restore, run it now. Otherwise, repeat manual placement for each widget and confirm data refresh. Finish by checking behavior. Make sure widgets update and respond. If a widget shows blank content, force stop or restart the launcher, then re-add the widget. That often resolves refresh issues. If problems persist, clear the widget app cache or reinstall the app because corrupted cached files can block data. Finally, verify battery optimization and background data settings so updates are allowed. If nothing works, consult app-specific settings and repeat the placement steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.